from the capital city, Jinan, Shandong Province. Integrity is our first rule when we build the factory. Quality, service, and responsibility are our business culture. Va'erin Laser has passed the certification of CE, ISO 9001, ROHS. Now our workshop enlarged to 20,000 square meters. Our output reaches to 2,000 sets per month. Va'erin Laser main products are CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine on non-metal material and laser marking machine on metal or non-metal material. We have 36 types products, such as WR4060, WR9060, WR1080, WR1390, WR1325. Our laser engraving and cutting machines are playing important roles in advertising decoration.